Hello everybody, this is Christine from In Stitches Crocheting here. Today I'll be showing you the shaping of the flowers for the flower Afghan. Here I am unrolling the Bagsmith blocking mat. I really ultimately didn't need it, but originally I was planning on heat blocking this with steam, and the blanket was bigger than the mat and the iron didn't work, so we ended up doing something different. Unfortunately, Bagsmith, it appears, has gone out of business, so I cannot link you to this item. It is a fantastic item, but unfortunately you can't get it anymore. I think this is when I realized that the blanket was bigger than the mat, and in fact would have been bigger than the bed if I had stretched it out, but all the squares actually were already about the same size, so I didn't really need to do anything. But the flowers were curled up, so I did decide to do that, to fix that. And that's just plain old ordinary water I'm using. And yes, I am wearing pajamas. I wear them as lounge clothes in the winter. It's cold in the basement. I think I had to go get more water at that point. And here's a close-up that I filmed after I did everything to show you what exactly I was doing. Which is basically spritz it until it's well saturated, and then smooth it out until it's relatively flat. After which you just wait for it to dry. And here it is after it has dried. I don't know why I filmed it for as long as I did, but I did. And here's trimming off all the ends. There is a method to my madness. I have no idea what was going through my head while I was filming this though, and you may or may not have just heard my phone go off, but that's okay. Yeah, basically it's trying to find all the end, pulling on them until they're taut, and snipping on them as close as I can to the project without actually clipping the project. And yes, there are a lot of yarn ends. I actually missed one that I didn't find until I was doing some pictures for the Etsy shop. It had slipped onto the other side. Okay, and here's the picture of the final thing, completed, all trimmed up. As you can see, the flowers pretty much get mussed back up almost immediately. So, shaping them is almost completely pointless, but it does make it look good for pictures, so there is some worth behind doing it. As always, subscribe, like this video, leave some comments, share the video, and let me know what else you want to see. Thank you and have a good day. Bye!